In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to offer a free product in Payhip. This is really useful if you want to give away lead magnets, freebies, or test products without asking your customers for any payment details. I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what each option means, so you can set this up quickly and confidently. First, log into your Payhip dashboard using your usual account details. Once you're in, look along the top navigation bar and find the option labeled Products. Go ahead and click that. This will take you to your main product list where you can see everything you're currently selling or have previously added. At this point, you have two choices. If you already have a product that you want to turn into a free offer, simply find it in the list and click on it to open the product editor. If you'd prefer to create something new specifically as a free product, look to the top right corner of the page and select Add New Product. Then choose the type of product you want, like a digital download, and fill in your usual details like title and description. Once you're inside the product editor, take a moment to locate the pricing section. This is where we'll actually make the product free. If you want the product to be completely free with no option for payment, set the price to 0. With the price set to 0, customers will be able to go through the checkout process without entering any payment information. They'll still buy it, but they won't be charged anything. Now, if you'd like to give people the option to pay something if they want to, you can set up a pay what you want style product. To do this, again, set the base price to 0 and then look for the small plus icon next to the price field. Clicking that allows you to enable an adjustable price. With this turned on, customers can choose their own amount. Some might download it completely free, while others may decide to support you by paying a little or even a lot. When you're happy with your settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Don't skip this part. Find the button that says Save Changes and click it. This step is important because your product won't actually become free or pay what you want until those changes are saved. And that's it. Your product is now set up on Payhip as a free or pay what you want offer, ready for your audience to access.